Yo.
Sticky. And we already know it's going to blow up. There it is, ready to blow up. Okay, so this is what happened after we nuked it for 30 seconds. Gotta unscrew the lid. Oh, pretty hard to unscrew. Oh my gosh. It totally got destroyed. I was sure it was
horrible.
Would explode. Yeah, it smells bad.
It did explode.
Stick into my finger. I'm gonna taste some of this.
Don't.
Tastes like burnt marshmallows. That's good. Okay, that's all for today. When we blow up a peep in the microwave. We gotta eat that peep.